Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the NHOPEEW radio harness for the Pontiac Vibe 2009 and 2010. A product designed to simplify the installation of aftermarket radios while maintaining your vehicle's original aesthetic. If you've ever upgraded your car stereo, you know the struggle of connecting new systems to older vehicle wiring. And that's exactly what this harness aims to solve. This harness is compatible not only with the Pontiac Vibe from 2009 to 2010, but also works with the Chevrolet Malibu from 2009 to 2014 and the Hyundai Santa Fe from 2006 to 2012. Before purchasing, it's essential to check the included images to ensure your vehicle's connectors match, as proper compatibility is critical for a seamless installation. One of the key highlights of this wiring harness is its precise fit. Designed to mirror the factory antenna connection, it provides a dependable and secure link between your aftermarket stereo and the vehicle's antenna system. This means you don't just get a connection, you maintain the clean, OEM-style look inside your car. It also helps preserve or even boost radio signal reception, which is particularly important when switching from a factory radio to an aftermarket unit. Construction-wise, the harness impresses with its high-quality plastic and copper wire design, encased in a durable PVC housing. This ensures excellent conductivity, resistance to corrosion, and overall reliability over time. The package comes complete with both the stereo wiring harness and an antenna adapter, making it a comprehensive solution for your stereo upgrade. Installation is straightforward. The harness comes pre-terminated with butt connectors, which saves time and effort during the process. The thick plastic jacket and professional copper core not only make installation safer but also ensure long-lasting performance. Even for those new to car electronics, this harness makes swapping out a stereo a much smoother experience. The product dimensions are 9.84 by 4.72 by 1.18 inches, with a weight of just under 2 ounces. Making it lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle frequent use. Manufactured by, it is designed with both functionality and durability in mind. This harness ranks well in the car audio and video wiring harness category, reflecting its practicality for anyone looking to upgrade their car's sound system without complicated rewiring. Overall, this radio harness is an ideal choice for Pontiac Vibe owners who want to install an aftermarket stereo efficiently while maintaining the integrity of their vehicle's original connections and appearance. Whether you're a seasoned installer or a DIY enthusiast, this harness offers reliability, simplicity, and superior craftsmanship. If you're planning a radio upgrade, it's definitely worth considering. That's it for today's product critique. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech and car accessories.